Yeah. You can see and hear me. Hello.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So you able to hear and see me? Hello.
Yes,
Okay.
can hear.
Okay. I can start.
1 minute, sir. Please wait. The speaker is not connected. Let me check the settings.
Hello. Yeah.
No, sir. Please wait.
ठीक है ठीक ओके ठीक ओके 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 या ओके ओके बाय या Vinita, I can start.
No.
Okay.
Can you hear him? This is audio enough for you? Speaker is not connected. No, the speaker is not connected. Yeah, it's good. Actually, the speaker is not connected.
Yeah, they disconnect from the top. No. Second way, you can ask this our money to connect it, or if they can hear, it's fine.
Can you hear us?
Can you hear me? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll wait for money to connect it up.
Name of the device is Samsung, right?
I'm just checking out the guidance and the rules, where I have already submitted all the assignments and just messaging. Okay. Submitted, yeah. Submitted, yeah. So how many of us completed the race? 1, 2, 3. No, on the top, we are 8 people, right? 3 of you completed it. I practiced those. So it should be.
Please tell me when to start.
Sir, please wait, sir. It's
Yeah.
not there.
You can ask any other student to climb on top. There's one wire that to be still on the top. They have to connect it to the socket. That's all.
Oh, okay, sir. Check.
So basically, what you need to keep in mind is this is the unit is professional practice. Okay, so I just suggest it's the emphasis is on the practice. So you have to give evidence on the practice. So it's basically a do unit, and it's not a theory unit. So like you talk about something and you write about it. So you have to give evidence that you're doing something, and you have to capture the evidence for that. So the whole thing is about building up a portfolio. Okay. So portfolio will include to show evidence of your soft skills and hard skills. Okay. So if you look at the assignment, I given the guidelines. I shared this probably with you earlier, and I'll be sharing again. You can get it from Amita ma'am. Okay. So it's talking about the scenario. The learner is employed as a IT consultant for IBM Middle East in IT solution provider. Okay. And then the learner is required to explore the interpersonal and transformable communication skills, apply critical reasoning to resolve IT related problems, examine the dynamics of working within the team, and assess the strategic role of CPD, that is continuing professional development within the context of IBM global business operations. Currently, you are spearheading the design, development, and delivery of IT solutions delivery training program. Okay, so now the IT solutions delivery program, I'm not changing the assignment, we'll stick to the same assignment. So basically, you guys need to split into groups of 4 each. Okay, and you can give the IT solutions delivery training can be based on it can be in HR, it can be in marketing, so it can be in IT, or it can be in finance, whichever you choose. Okay, so preferably 4 different groups will make that. Okay, so provide an introduction to IBM. So all this is easy. We already done. I'm keeping the same assignment. Okay, so we look at what to do. So first thing is you need to make a portfolio. Okay, so that's coming across very clear. The submission is in the form of completed individual portfolio. Okay, so folder you need to maintain for yourself, including the tasks set out in the assignment brief. This assignment involves group work, but each student should be submitting a own individual portfolio folder. So you'll have a team of 4 in your as a team, and you will develop a training program in marketing. Some other group will do it on IT, some other group in HR, some other group in finance, or whichever you think is okay with you. Okay, so all separate. So been asked to support your training and development manager with the planning and implement. So what you need to do is when you have 4, so you'll be one of you will be a leader, the second one be a coordinator, and there will be 2 members each. Okay, so if there are only 3, then you make 1 leader, 1 coordinator, and 1 participant member. So when we have an event or when we make up event. So basically this training program is like an event. Okay. So now how to plan this event and how to deliver the event and how to reflect on this event are the aspects of this assignment. So first of all, you will look at how to plan for this. Okay. So first of all, you will start writing to each other, communicating to each other. So the leader will communicate to the coordinator and team participants saying that in a email, saying that we are planning to do this and let's meet up. Okay. And then you can have a Zoom conference or you can meet in the class and video it, and the minutes of meeting can be arranged. Okay. So your portfolio will say first, will give evidence of email. It will give evidence of your meeting, minutes of meeting. It can have photographs, it can have videos, it can have conferences. Okay, videoed again. So all this can be part of your portfolio, saying that you are planning this, how you are planning this activity of training for the interns. Okay. So you will do that. So if you look at here, the training event is scheduled over a so you can assume 2-day period or 3-day period, and you make a proper schedule. How you'll make a schedule means you'll say at this time to this time, this is what they are planning, and this is what you're planning, and 3 different days. So that's the plan. For that, you need to initially meet to discuss the plan and how the plan will be. So it will be actual a do. You're going to do and show how you're able to plan an event, a training event, and how you're capturing all the evidence for that in your portfolio. That's the whole thing. So the difference has been you have been writing, you just written the report. Okay, so report will be part of it, but the portfolio is how you plan, how you coordinated with your team members, how you went about organizing this event. Then you will be having a presentation. You will actually deliver a presentation showing the training and do a video of that, short video. Okay, so all this will be part of your portfolio. So center requires a schedule of type of activities proposed so that plans can be finalized. In addition, any guest speakers or motivational coaches you are going to arrange. Okay, you're not going to arrange, or you say that this is part of the plan. Okay, and then how you're going to look for their travel and notices for all the bookings and so on. So you also been asked to design and deliver a workshop as part of the training event based on the dynamics of the work. Okay, so produce a professional schedule using, so you can use project management software or you can do it on Excel. So you'll be doing a work break structure and be showing the Gantt chart. So this you have already done. It's part of your project research, right? The Gantt chart and the work break structure. So you'll split, you'll make a plan, the milestones will be there. So how much it's going to cost, what are the resources, so that you can put and capture on your Excel, or you can use a project management software. So generally you can, the project management software is available on a trial basis. So you can use that. Okay. So that identifies planning and resourcing prior to a 2-day event. In addition, design a training pack to include a range of activities, seminars. Okay, so this is a plan. You're going to plan for 3 days, make a proper plan of it. For making this plan, you need to meet as a team and execute this plan. And then afterwards, you're going to implement this plan. So these are the things you're going to capture in your portfolio. So deliver and design and deliver a training event for a given audience using different communication styles. So different communication styles is you're going to show your soft skills. One soft skill is through your report. Second is how you're communicating through emails, WhatsApp. Okay, then how you're going to do it on video. All this can be captured and this is part of your portfolio. So all the 4 different communication styles you are going to use and give evidence of that. So demonstrate that you use effective time management skills. Okay, so how that will be shown is when you make a plan, you will be showing that each and every schedule you're going to give the time and the resources, and that will be part of the project management software, or on Excel you can capture it. So that is you're planning for the time and the time is and the resources, and that shows the professionalism you have as a team and how you're going to execute it. Okay, so design a 2-hour workshop session, for example, based on team dynamics, to include a presentation, interactive links to suitable sites, and an activity sheet that will require delegates to take part in some form of team building tasks. So you're going to have evidence of showing that how you are inviting the team, the members, and how they are going to come and assemble, where you're going to hold this conference, to things like that. Everything has to be captured. So the portfolio, basically what you have done till now is you have made a report. Okay, so now you're going to capture the rest of the things for your portfolio. So you're going to show evidence of your emails exchange, how you formed a team, and how you have planned your event, and the actual plan on a time scale. Then you're going to make a Gantt chart and the WBS of your the whole plan for the 3 or 4 days you are going to execute it. Then as you execute the plan, you make the PPTs, then you're going to present it. So you capture the evidence on presentation on your smartphones as a video, and then photographs of it. So that's how you build up your portfolio. So basically what's lacking is a portfolio which is required. So you back up all your report of how you have done it, and build up a portfolio, and which you have to show how you're working in a team, how you exchange the emails, how we are presenting one at a time, or how you're coordinating with your team members. So all this can be videoed. So short videos of about 4-5 minutes is okay, and photographs and email exchanges, chats, WhatsApp, all this is what you're going to show. And okay, so when you look at the criterion, what's asking for is how you're going to okay, let's go through the criterion again, so that is very clear. Demonstrate using different communication styles. Demonstrate means you are going to show and capture it as on video, emails, WhatsApp, snapshots, okay, all that you can effectively design and deliver a trading event for a given target audience. Okay, so your invite for 30-40 people should be sent, and the emails and the snapshot of the email can be captured. So demonstrate that you have used effective time management skills in planning an event. So this can be done based on your Gantt chart and WBS on the Excel, okay, showing exactly when you're going to perform what and how you're going to do it. And then there can be exchanges that something is missing. Maybe your motivator speaker is not available. So there's a contingency and you're calling someone else, or you're making an internal adjustment for that. So this can be discussed, this can be captured using email. Okay. So that's why the whole problem is it's demonstrate. Demonstrate means you have to show and capture it on videos, on photographs, on writing, on presentations, and all that. So apply critical reasoning and thinking of a range of problem solving scenarios. So what you're going to do is you can build in a scenario where the motivator or the speaker, one of the speakers, not available. So there's a contingency. So you're solving that problem. So you arrange for another person. So exchange of emails, inviting the other person, and then getting him, well, maybe booking for tickets, transportation, all that's evidence you can collect. So you need to build up a story and put it on the portfolio. And that's how you flow. Demonstrate that critical reasoning has been applied to a given solution. So critical reasoning is something, a contingency you cannot plan for. Contingency has happened and how we are able to solve it with giving evidence. So how you are, as a team manager, you have done it, as a leader, and then as a team member, you contributed, and as a coordinator, you contributed. Okay, so that will cover the L02. And L03 is discuss the importance and dynamics of working within a team and impact of team working in different environments. Okay, discuss the importance of team dynamics. So this is captured when you are making a presentation as a team to the audience. So 4 of you are there, and one at a time, you are coordinating with each other to make a 5-minute video presentation to the audience. Okay, so you can capture that and work within a team to achieve a defined goal. So your goal was to establish a plan and to execute a plan of running this event, and which you achieve. So you can talk about that in P6. Okay, in P7 is discuss the importance of CPD, that is a continuous professional development, because it is professional practice. So how you develop yourself. So you can look at how you are applying for new courses for training in soft skills. Okay, you can also show how you can do as a self-reflection, what is a shortage. Maybe you don't know how to operate how to do a proper project management plan. So you can go into a course for that. You can apply and capture that as evidence. So all that you can talk about here. Then produce a development plan that outlines the responsibilities, performance objectives, and required skills, knowledge, and learning for future goals. So you can build up a story that what you lacked here and what you're going to do here. Okay. So some of the activities I have for the CPD, I have listed it here below. Okay. Some of these activities, 1 or 2 you can do, and you can capture evidence of that. So record of work experience. Okay. So we just got 10 minutes. Maybe if it closes, I'll send the link again. You can connect. Okay. So record of work experience to support the personal professional development. You're asked to complete the following: personal learning. Okay. Analyze your prior learning. So what skills you have and what you lack. So this is called a WAC analysis. You can go to the Google and say WAC, and it will tell you what. So you just follow that and write as a report. Okay. So this is in the report part of it. Then review the operations of your employer in order to identify opportunities to address areas. So as a team, you suppose you are a member, so you would like to develop yourself as a manager, so you can be a leader in next. So if you're a coordinator, you can be a leader, or you are looking at a bigger group. So like that, you say in a futuristic way. So what are the skills you're lacking and how you're going to develop that. Okay. So undertake a skills audit to identify your skills recently. You will further identify areas for additional training through a discussion. So which are the areas? Maybe you can say that I'll go for this training or that training, whatever. Collect evidence and put it there. And then you build up a personal learning log and how you're going to achieve this in a short period. So you make again an Excel sheet saying that in the next 3 months, I'm going to do this, and improve my skills. So that will set up a smart goal for yourself for the next 3 months, and which you can talk about that. Okay. And then basically 2 theories and how they are applicable. Application of these 2 theories for that is a Globe learning cycle and the Gibbs reflective model. So both of which is available. It's widely known, and the PPTs are also showing that. So apply it to yourself and tell how you're going to do it, which with live evidence, capturing of a video or email or minutes of meeting and all that. So that's short. So you already done the report part, I think. So only thing what is required is probably to get evidence of this in terms of video, emails, then WhatsApp snapshots. Then you can exchange emails between you, invites, booking of tickets. So things like that. Just take a snapshot and put it there and write a good story about it. Okay. So I'll be exchanging this. I'll be sending this. I already sent it to Amita ma'am. You can collect the guidelines. It's the guidelines for the assignment. Okay. So you'll keep the same assignment. So it's easy for you since you already done. So just add these things and make it as a portfolio. So there'll be a folder you will be supplying along with your, you will be uploading along with your report. Okay. And the portfolio folder will contain videos, photographs, emails, snapshots of WhatsApp. So because as a team, how you operated and all that. So you capture all that and put it there. And I think that should be enough. So you'll get through. Okay. So anything else, you can email it to me or WhatsApp, or you have my number, you can get in touch with me personally also. Okay, I think you already done this. Only the report is there. Only thing you need to capture, build up a story and capture the evidence, how you do it. Is that okay? Fair enough? Okay. Okay, see, you can collect this document from Amita ma'am, the guidelines. Okay. See you guys. All the best. Bye.